I'm gonna kill her. They didn't move again. Waiting for the ball to beat us every time. Mac, again, you didn't move. The ball's beating you from all the way over there to here. You're not moving. Setter's back row, Haley. We're missing EC, bro. Need somebody that can play right back defense. At this point, we're missing Lily. Lily will play right back defense at this point. I'm over it. So we can block a ball on top of the table. They can't do anything without. No, ma'am. Jesus Christ. Came past the mother effing free ball. Freaking hot mess. Nah, oh my God. Ivy, God dang it. Zero steps. What sucks is that they've beaten us, both teams have beaten us attacking our libero. Not necessarily the serve receive, but like defensively, like they're attacking the angle and she doesn't pick up anything. Because it's a back row and they're jumping so early. They can't just be patient and wait. You're in the wrong side, reffing, buddy. Thought you didn't see the nets. Nice spot. Push you off the court. Up is fine because you want to get hit, but she did. She only hits angle. That's literally all she hits. Out of the right side. Good job. She's tried to put her backpack on this entire game. But she shouldn't be the one putting the backpack on. Well, it looks like Mac and Fallon messed up the rotation. They're not. We're good. Caroline! They gotta catch it. Good set. Who should be serving? Two serving? Haley. All right, go back one. Let's go back one. Caroline, back. Okay, we just get Mia serving again, that's fine. Over, go. Come on, we gotta hit. Gotta hit. It's a good set. that right? 5? Hey, that's 2 serving errors back to back because you went to serve and then went to serve again. Yeah, how did you serve 2 errors in a row? Go. Come on now. It's a trap set, Mia. Hey, you're running that way. Mia, you're running that way, you trap set. Hey, you got to start running bigs in tempo too. Like that's a weapon that we're not using in tempo. Like a big in tempo means we get a free ball big, that's tempo. When we can do a 3-man offense kind of stuff, okay? Good, Caroline. That was sticky hands though. Just got to call it for a lift on that. God dang it. That was close though. Haley seems to have woken up a little bit, but middle's got to be better. All middle's got to be better. At least she moved. Yeah, because Ansley ain't moving. Come on, come on. Touch. I got a touch on that too. Come on, let's go. Whistle, let's go. What's calling me? Found wide. Oh! All right, stay in it. That free ball, bro. Okay. Good job defensively. At least you got a touch. Just gotta get a little bit more under and move, okay? Other than that, keep the same targets. Nothing to change. Just gotta execute on our side, especially on offense. Okay? Going into tomorrow as well. Remember this, because I'm not gonna be here. You gotta run bigs in tempo out of free balls and stuff. Okay? We gotta do stuff in tempo. Okay? All right. Other than that, let's go. Keep working at the net. Keep working at the net. Mostly with foul. I just look at Matt. That's all I do. It's just Matt being Matt. No, it's anytime Mac touches the ball. Oh my God, Haley. Haley's already crapping herself. She's like, please don't hit me.
Look at that. She literally was like this.
It's like she wants to serve, but she doesn't want to play the defense afterwards. You know what I mean? She's like, please don't hit me again.
She's backing up.
See, that's an easy ball to block.
Me and Max have the same shoes.
I gotta pee so bad. Whatever it takes. Net. Ah. Come on. Hey, don't stand up on it. Give me a minute. Come on. We good? Is it that bad? Where'd you roll it? In or out? You're good. Come on. Relax. Push against it. Push against it here. Okay. Push against it over here. Push to the side. To the side. Where it hurt at? All of those? Did you break an ice pack? I know, it's supposed to hurt. You want to finish it? All right. Once we finish, we'll get you guys right away. Tighten it up. Come on. Smart. She's trying not to cry right now. Come on, Mama. Come on, Mama. Hey, once the game is done, pack all my stuff real quick. I'm gonna take her to the trainer before I head out. Whatever works. We got no other setters. Lily can't play. God dang it, Fallon, bro. She's so high air on the serving right now. Oh! Thank you. All right.
What, you don't like that?
Great hitting, kid. Good job. Good game, guys. Good game, guys. Good game. Great defense. Great job. Good game. Great game. Great game. That Libera's a stud. Love her.
Thank you.
She's